Every day, millions of people are using AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and other AI platforms in order to write software codes, generate images, generate documents, and process complex information. But what we do not know behind this every AI application, there is a huge demand of electricity. So today we are going to see the most important topic, that is AI causing electricity power crisis all over the world, and the electrical engineering behind this AI data centers. So AI revolution is not just a software revolution, but it's a power revolution in disguise, because every query, every question, and every AI model uses huge amount of electricity and power to process this AI data. So AI is nothing but a combination of energy infrastructure, software, and artificial intelligence. So let us see what happens when we ask question to any AI tool such as ChatGPT. When we type a question, the query is entered into ChatGPT. The internet transits this query across the network. It reaches the data center. These servers receive and route the request to GPU processing. The models compute the response, and the response is seen on our screens. This single query travels across thousands of miles and passes through massive power hungry infrastructure, all in under a second, that is a millisecond. So let's see what is a GPU. GPU is nothing but a graphics processing unit which performs thousands of calculations in parallel, essential for training and running a AI model. So they require a huge amount of power. A typical GPU consumes 700 watt plus power for a single GPU, and it requires to be on 24 by 7 at full load. And let's see what is inside a data center. AI data center consists of servers, then GPUs, which consist of thousands of chips running AI workloads. Then there is a huge amount of network of high-speed fiber across the rack. Then it requires a cooling system because of huge heat generated for processing such data. They consist of chillers, then C-rack, then liquid cooling. Then they require uninterrupted power supply and the power, that is battery backups and redundant power supply. Then how electricity reaches the data center. A power plant generates a bulk amount of electricity. Then this electricity is transmitted through high voltage long distance lines. They reach a substation which steps the voltage down for various regions. This power then transfers to local transformers which reduce the voltage for distribution to data centers which receive usable power for AI. Then why the transformer play important role in these AI data centers? They step up and step down the voltage across the grid, and AI data centers need more of them, bigger in size and faster deployment. But they are limited because of huge demand and limited manufacturing. The US is facing a critical transformer shortage as AI demand surges faster than manufacturing capacity. So what is challenges posed by these AI data centers to the grid? There is a generation challenge because not enough new capacity is being built up fast enough compared to the huge demand. Then the transmission network is old Then we have permission delay to erect new transmission lines. Then in distribution, the local substations and transformers are already overloaded. So where will AI's electricity come from? We have solar and wind power, which is fastest growing, but it is intermittent because solar is available only at daytime and wind power depends on the speed of wind. Then we have natural gas. It is reliable baseload but it emits carbon. Then we have nuclear power plants which emit zero carbon but have long lead times. Then the best and the popular is battery storage, which bridges the gap between supply and demand because it stores the electricity when in bulk and it is used when the supply is not available. Then, how AI can make the electricity grid smarter is that it can perform load forecasting, then it can be used in fault detection, in predictive maintenance, and in grid optimization to match the supply and demand side. So, why future is electrical? The AI may be software revolution, but supporting it will require an electrical revolution. We have to build more generating stations, transmission lines, and more transformers. Then we have to build smarter AI systems with higher efficiencies, with resilient grids. And then we have to build faster, permitting the reforms and strengthening our supply chains. So, International Energy Agency has predicted that the power consumption of these AI data centers will triple in the year 2027 till 2030. So we have to keep pace with this AI data centers infrastructure and we have to build grid so that the power requirement can be met and we have reliable power supply. So this was all about AI data centers and electricity crisis. Thank you.